Hello students, myself Khurshid sir. Today I am going to explain the first chapter, categories of computers and computer language. The key concept of this chapter are generation of computers, types of computers, computer language, working of a translator, types of translators. Generation can be understood with the help of this example that assume that your grandfather is a first generation, your father second generation, and you are third generation. So with the help of this table you can get a concept about the generation of your family. Similarly, in case of computer, when computer was developed or invented, at that time computer was a huge machine, and at that time computer was capable only for do simple calculation. Over the years computers have gone through many changes. Their size become smaller and speed has increased, their appearance has changed. So all these changes referred to as generations. There are 5 generations of computers till date. Let's see the first generation of computer. In 1940 to 1958, in this period, whatever the computers have been developed, that computers were considered as first generation computers. The characteristics of first generation computers, let's see. Used vacuum tubes, used punch cards for input and output, calculate data in milliseconds. They were very large in size but and small storage capacity, were slow in speed. There whatever any instruction is given and the instruction that a task is performed, and whatever the time is taken by a computer to perform or complete a task, that is called the speed of a computer. So at that time in the first generation computer or the first generation of computers were very slow. That the sentence was written here. They were slow in speed. They consumed a large amount of energy. Examples: ENIAC and UNIVAC. These two examples are the computers as first generation computers. This is the figure of vacuum tubes. Let's go to the next page. The ENIAC, Electronic Numerical Integrator and Computer, was the first electronic computer. Second, the UNIVAC, Universal Automatic Computer. The UNIVAC was the first commercial computer.